Did you know that the world's largest forest is not just a collection of trees, but a living system that keeps our planet breathing? This is the Amazon rainforest, the lungs of the earth. This forest is so vast that it spans over 7 countries, and the Amazon alone produces 20% of the world's oxygen. Here, 390 billion trees and millions of creatures are all interconnected. Some animals live only in this forest, and humans have never even seen them with their own eyes. Did you know? The trees of the Amazon create their own rainfall. The moisture they release into the air forms clouds, which then return as rain to keep the forest alive. Flowing through this forest is one of the most famous rivers in the world, the Amazon River, stretching 6,400 kilometers, and it is home to so many fish species that scientists are still discovering new ones. There are even tribes in the Amazon who have never seen modern civilization. No mobile phones, no electricity, just the forest and nature. They have been living here for centuries. But the Amazon is not just beautiful. It can be dangerous too. Here lives the green anaconda, the world's largest snake, and the poison dart frog, whose venom can kill 10 humans. Experts say that beneath this forest still lie ancient civilizations' secrets, which may never be fully revealed. The Amazon is not just a forest, it is the heart of our planet. If this forest disappears, the Earth itself will struggle to breathe. If you love discovering the wonders of nature,